Hello friends, my name is Sanket. My name is Sanket Marathe, and today our topic is packages in Java. So first we discuss what is packages. Okay. So packages in Java are used to organize the classes and the interfaces into a namespaces. They are providing a way to manage and maintain the large scales of Java applications efficiently. And they are offers several they are offered several benefits, including the modularity, namespace management, access control, and then encapsulation. So uh, why we so what was the purpose of the package? So why we are create a package? So first we discuss in modularity. So packages are promote modularity by grouping related classes and the interfaces together, and they are making it easier to understand, and they are maintained goals. So what is the namespace? What are the namespace management in the packages? So basically, packages provide a namespace for the classes and the interfaces, and preventing the naming conflicts, and they are ensuring the clarity. So what are the access control in the packages? So the packages supports access controlling. They are allowing to control the visibility of the classes and the members within the outside the packages. And when we see in the encapsulation, so packages encapsulation are related functionality, and they are promoting the encapsulations, and they are providing and they are used for the information hiding. So now this is about how are the packages. So what are the structures of the packages? So first we see in the directory hierarchy. That's our packages are organized into directories with each directory, and they are corresponding to packages. The package name is matched with the directory structures. So that means, uh, for example, CSS copy code is equal to .java to .java. So how we can declare the packages? So in Java, how we can declare the packages? What is the syntax of the packages? Okay. So we discuss that. So first we discuss about what is the syntax of packages. So a package is a declaration. Declarations appears at the beginning of the Java source files, and it specify the packages to within the class belongs. So what are the package? How can we? What are the package visibility? What are the access control in the packages? So classes within the same package can access each other without any restrictions. And there are also default access in the packages that are no access modifier in the specified. So the member are package private accessible only within the same packages. Then how we can import the packages? So we can so first we saw how are the which are the statement for importing the packages. So the classes from the other packages can be imported using the import statement. Okay. So how now we discuss about how creating packages. That means how they are organized. Okay. So organize related classes and interfaces into packages, and they are based on the functionality or the domain. Then what are the directory structures? So basically directory structures in Java source files belonging to a package must be placed in a directory structure that match the package's declarations. So in Java, what are the packages in the Java platform? So first it says what are standard libraries. They are Java provide a rich set of standard package of common programming tasks. They are including the Java.lang, Java.util, Java.io, Java.net, etc. So now we can discuss how can we create a custom packages. So in that how we can declare a package. So include a package declaration at the top of each source file to specify the package name. For example, first we write a package, then write our class name, public class, my class. So that all the information about the packages. So thank you.